Hi guys, in this video we will be setting up GitHub as OAuth provider. In the GitHub developer settings we will add a new OAuth app. Let's set up the application name and our example homepage URL. We will copy the callback URL here and leave enable device flow unchecked. We have a client ID here and let's generate a new client secret. Now let's save our integration and let's try to log in using GitHub. Right, here is our test application, authorize, and we have successfully logged in with GitHub. Here is our user, and here are all the linked providers are visible here as well. Thank you very much.